Perfection. Today's video topic. In 2025, we have to become the greatest personality of ourselves. This is the motive. But in this new year, you are having same mistakes and same habits. But still think, would you even just be perfect a little bit with those things? No. But also think that do that simple things matter to be perfect? Yes, they do matter. But just also think that do perfection matter? Yes, it does, but not too much. So just by keeping that in mind that perfection matters but not that much, you have to just take action. But instead of just thinking about the perfection that how perfect you are, just take action. Take action as you are because nothing is perfect. They are becoming perfect day by day just by acting. So take action and then seek perfection. Because do not take be perfect and then do a thing. Like if you want to be in the video editing niche, then first of all start video editing and then be perfect day by day. But don't think that you will be perfect and then do the video editing because without doing you are not being anything and everything is waste. So, if you really want to achieve something, just do that and then be perfect day by day instead of thinking that you will be perfect and then you will take action because nothing is perfect. See, you're watching me on YouTube. I am not perfect, my English is not perfect, and the speaking skills I have, they are not perfect. But still, I'm in the front of camera and showcasing my knowledge in front of you and telling you the motive of your life and also sharing the self improvement journey with you because this is my hobby, this is my passion, and this is the thing what I have to do, and this is also my goal. So I'm not seeking perfection, but being perfect day by day just by doing it, just by taking action. So, just like that, this is the platform on which you are. It is called YouTube. There are many perfect people. I don't want to say them perfect, but yeah, they are nearly perfect, but they do not think themselves perfect because they are being perfect day by day. They are improved, not perfect. So like this, nobody is perfect, but they are being perfect day by day after taking action. And without action, nobody could be perfect. But still, many people seek perfection and then just be in that line that you have to be perfect and then take action and then achieve your goals. It is wrong. Not even wrong, it is totally false statement because you be perfect after taking action in your niche. Like I am here. I'm not perfect, but I am making videos, taking action, and then being perfect day by day. I'm learning new things. I'm learning how to engage my audience. I'm learning how to speak in front of camera. I'm learning about what I have to speak in my videos. I'm gaining knowledge firstly and then showcasing it in front of you. That is my first step. But I don't think that I have to firstly be perfect in my niche and then just speak in front of you because this is totally wrong. So, this was the thing which I have to also make you understand that perfection is important, but it is not as much important that without perfection you can't live. You can. So, don't go by perfection. Instead, take action and then make perfection run with you. And then this was the thing which I have to make you understand. And if you are understood, then tell me down in the comments and then surely take this thing in mind that perfection is only thing which you could get after taking action and then being consistent and then being motivated. So gain momentum and then take action and be perfect.